Welcome to How's That Pronounced? Videos to help you with commonly mispronounced words. Today's word is the noun hierarchy. 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 Listen and repeat. A hierarchy is a system where people or things are organized in different levels of importance or power. In the military, there is a clear hierarchy with generals at the top and soldiers at the bottom. In a company, the boss is at the top of the hierarchy and the workers are below. Some monkeys have a very complex social hierarchy. Stay tuned for the next video.